Priyanka Sharma from class 7D. Now we are going to explain about types of rainfall. So my topic is convectional rainfall. When a mass of air comes in contact with the heated surface of the earth, it also gets warmed to rise in the form of vertical air currents. Most part of the atmosphere, it cools, condenses and forms cumulonimbus clouds. Next will be explained by Shreya.
Further, condense or rising cause sudden and heavy rainfall accompanied by thunder and lightning. Such rain is common in the tropical and equatorial regions because of the high relative humidity. Usually such rainfall occurs in the evening and is also known as 4 o'clock rain. Next topic will
mountain or relief barrier. They are forced to rise along the mountain slope. As the air rises upwards, it's cooled down. This is followed by condensation and precipitation in the form of relief rainfall. Next topic will explain.
Field barrier is convection and toward a low pressure is called cyclonic rainfall. Next explained by this.
Warm air current meet. Warm air being lighter rises above the cold air. The plane where the two different bodies of air meet is called the front. Warm air cool on rising and condenses along the path of the cyclone. It is accompanied by thunder and lightning. Such rain is called cyclonic or frontal rainfall. Thank
दरअसल जनपद मिर्जापुर का अति प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षण संस्थान एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज के एडू कार्निवल के अवसर पर तमाम सिर्फ छात्र छात्राओं के बीच ही नहीं बल्कि उनके परिजन भी काफ़ी हर्षित होते हैं और नवंबर माह के इस एडू कार्निवल के अवसर पर प्रत्येक छात्रों ने अद्भुत प्रदर्शन किया और एक एक छात्रों के अंदर जो प्रतिभा दिखाई दी उसकी सराहना उनके परिजन भी करते देखे गए। स्कूल के डायरेक्टर हमारे साथ हैं और सर बहुत बधाई आपको कि इस तरीके से बच्चों की जो तैयारी होती है। राजेश जी, जनपद के लोग अनुसरण करते हैं, तमाम शिक्षण संस्थान भी आपके विद्यालय का अनुसरण करने लगे हैं। क्या मोटो होता है, इतना ज़बरदस्त तैयारी कैसे संभव हो पाता है?
ये जो पॉसिबिलिटी हो पाती है, संभव हो पाता है, हमारे टीचर्स हैं जो कि हर पॉइंट पे जो है सोचते हैं, फिर उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, जिससे वो चीज़ें हो पाती हैं। और हमारे टीचर बहुत जो है इंटेलिजेंट हैं, जो कि हर तरह से वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट तैयार करते हैं और उसको फिर जो है वर्कआउट देते हैं।
हर सब्जेक्ट पे बच्चों ने तैयारी की है। इवन आप देख लीजिए, चाहे हेल्थ को लेके बच्चों ने किया है, साइंस पे किया है, संस्कार को लेके किया है, इंटरनेशनल करेंसी को लेके उन्होंने किया है। कई सब्जेक्ट पे उनकी तैयारी रही है। सबसे ज़्यादा आपको चयन करने में क्या तकलीफ होती है कि किसको ज़्यादा पुरस्कृत किया जाए, किसको ज़्यादा नंबर दिया जाए, या कैसे आप ये चयन करेंगे?
दरअसल सिलेबस में जो चीज़ें हैं उसको हम जो है एक्ट के माध्यम से, प्रोजेक्ट के माध्यम से हम सब जो है उसको दिखा पाते हैं और बच्चा उस थीम को समझ जाता है। जब वो थीम को समझ जाता है तो उसको क्वेश्चन के आंसरिंग में वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है। और सिलेबस की जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो पहले करेक्ट किया जाता है, इसके बाद जो है हम लोग उसको बनाते हैं, उस टॉपिक को तैयार करते हैं, उसको कि बेहतर से बेहतर कैसे हो उस चीज़ को करते हैं। और बहुत कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि जब टीम बेहतर रहती है तो सब चीज़ें आसान होती है। तो मैं सबका आभारी हूँ, हमारे अपने टीचर्स का, जिन्होंने जो है अथक प्रयास किया और मतलब डे टाइम नाइट टाइम पूरा ले के बच्चों को बनाया लगाया। और बच्चे भी लगे रहे, बच्चे तो बहुत लगे रहे टीचर के गाइडलाइन पे, और हमारे गार्जियन ने बहुत बढ़ चढ़ के सहयोग किया बच्चों के लिए। और जो यह उपलब्धि आज मिली है ग्रेट, वो जो है टीचर्स, हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड पेरेंट्स और लवली स्टूडेंट, ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट की वजह से मिला है, जो कि आज यह जो है हर्षोल्लास का दिन बना है।
जी, ये जो बच्चे तैयारी करते हैं और हजारों हजार जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं उनके सामने बोलते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट जो है प्रेजेंट करते हैं, ये परीक्षा परिणामों भी तब्दील होता दिखाई देता है। आपको लगता है कि बेहतर परिणाम भी आ रहा है?
बिल्कुल, प्रेजेंटेशन, नॉलेज का प्रेजेंटेशन ही एजुकेशन है। तो जब प्रेजेंटेशन बेहतर होगा तो मेरा बच्चा या मेरा स्टूडेंट उस नॉलेज को कहीं भी प्रेजेंट करेगा, चाहे वो जज बन के करेगा, चाहे डॉक्टर बन के करेगा, चाहे एडवोकेट बन के करेगा, और चाहे वो ग्रेट लीडर बन के करेगा, राजनेता बन के भी करेगा। ये ऐसी हम लोग की थीम है, ऐसी सोच है कि हम लोग ऐसा तैयार करें कि पूरे विश्व में जो है ये बच्चे जाके अपने परचम को, अपने ज्ञान की जो ज्ञान है वो हर जगह फैलाएं, और वसुंधरा कुटुंबकम का जो ये परिभाषा है वो साकार हो हर जगह। क्योंकि बच्चे पढ़ लिख के कहीं अमेरिका में है, कहीं जापान में है, कहीं रसिया में हैं, तो ये सब वहाँ पे एज ए डॉक्टर, एज ए साइंटिस्ट और एज ए ग्रेट पर्सन बन के हैं, वहाँ पे हैं, प्रोफेसर बन के भी हैं।
जी राजेश जी, बच्चे काफ़ी इससे भी सीखते हैं कि जब आप अनाउंस करते हैं कि जो सबसे टॉपर लड़का होगा उसके नाम का एक क्लासरूम रखा जाएगा, ये सुविधा आपने मुजफ्फरगंज में रखा और जो है जो आपका दूसरा ब्रांच है लोहंदी में और जो तीसरा ब्रांच है आपका मिशन कंपाउंड में, क्या ये पैटर्न वहाँ भी लागू कर रहे हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, हर जगह जहाँ जहाँ के बच्चे उच्च कोटि में सिलेक्शन लेते हैं, जैसे IIM में, IIT में, एम्स में और जो है और भी जो बड़े एग्ज़ाम हैं UPSC, तो उसमें जब ये सेलेक्ट होते हैं तो उनके नाम से हम क्लास का नाम रख देते हैं। जैसे उज्जवल सोनी क्लास, अभी गर्वित व्यास क्लास बना है, क्योंकि अभी बच्चा हमारा जो है सेलेक्ट हुआ है इसमें IIM बेंगलोर में। तो इस तरह से करने से बच्चे देखते हैं कि मेरे नाम से क्लास रखा गया और पूछते भी हैं कि उज्जवल सोनी नाम क्यों रखा गया, क्या कारण था, क्या हिस्ट्री थी। तो उस सिस्टम के अंदर जो क्यूरियोसिटी है, जो जिज्ञासा है, उस जिज्ञासा के तहत टीचर्स बताते हैं पूरी बात कि मेरा भी नाम रखाएगा, मैं भी पढ़ूंगा।
ठीक राजेश जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने
और मैं लास्ट में कहूँगा जय माँ सरस्वती, जय भारत।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आपने समय निकाला। तो ये वही विद्यालय है जिसके बारे में कहा जाता है कि न सिर्फ जनपद में बेहतर शिक्षा परिणाम या परीक्षा परिणाम देता है, बल्कि बच्चों के चहुमुखी विकास के लिए भी अनवरत निरंतर प्रयत्नशील SN पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज की ये पूरी शिक्षकों की टीम है, जिनके बारे में भी ये कहा जाता है कि बहुत ही प्रशिक्षित अध्यापकों के निगरानी में प्रत्येक बच्चों पर पैनी नज़र भी रखी जाती है। मिर्जापुर से TV 100 के लिए वीरेंद्र गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।
Topic is prepared under the guidance of Vijayalakshmi ma'am. As from class 7D, welcome to Howrah Bridge. It was built to replace an oldest pontoon bridge that was growing traffic on Hooghly River. Next line explained by Falak.
This is the third largest cantilever bridge in the world. It is a common post for photographers and street pressers to create a little space in the world. Next line will explain by Divesh.
And construction involved unique engineering, including reviewing the entire structure without nut and bolt. LLC from Tata Steel. National and 705 meter location Kolkata Howrah Bridge, West Bengal. Open 3 February. Height 82 meter. Bridge type suspension bridge. Architecture frame Cleft and Bridge Engineer Company. Thank you. Next, the Howrah Bridge officially made Rabindra Setu was constructed between 1936 and 1942 and opened to the public on February 3, 1943. Thank you.
मेरे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं और जो सीख रहे हैं अच्छा भी कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा। अरे जो देख रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अपने आप को देखना, अपने गुण दोषों का अध्ययन करना, अपनी गलतियों को सुधारने का प्रयास करना। इसके आगे वंशिका बोलेंगी।
पहले रचयिता नारायण शर्मा जी हैं। इनका जन्म 18 फरवरी 1913 में उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ था। इन्होंने अनेक फिल्में और कविताएं लिखी हैं, जिसमें हमारा है पहले अपना अध्ययन करो। आगे के बारे में आयत बताएंगे।
नरेंद्र शर्मा वे एक महान कवि हैं जिन्होंने हिंदी साहित्य में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया। उनकी कविता प्रेरित करती है। आगे के बारे में अंशिका बताएंगे।
खुद को देखो, अपने भीतर जागो, जानो क्या सही है क्या गलत, अपनी गलतियों को पहचानो। इसके
यहाँ 2 छात्र एक अन्य छात्र की बुराई कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या उन्हें पता है कि उन्हें दूसरों की बुराई करने से पहले अपना अध्ययन करना चाहिए। कविता के शब्दों में अपना अध्ययन करो का अर्थ है कि हमें दूसरों पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
SN Public School.
Role of the 3 questions.
He believed that if he knew the answer to 3 questions, he would never fail. He proclaimed that he would reward anyone who can answer them.
Everything. Which people should I listen to? And what is the most important thing for me to do? We prayed you most make a timetable for every day, a month and year follow strictly.
Full scenes from the poem Evening on a Mountain. The poet described how the valley enjoys sunlight all day, spreading its beauty everywhere. As the sunset shadow move across the
Slowly on the lake, the moment looks like stitching silk into cotton, climbing the smooth. The lake shine quietly and become still and peaceful. Now my
So describe how sound travel across the valley. When people speak, their voice echo and rebound from the hill. Even the car is string to catch each echo in the silence of evening.
It was fought on 12 April 1526 at Panipat, Haryana. It was between Babur, the ruler of Kabul, and Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi. Babur invaded India to expand his empire and take advantage of the political weakness of the Delhi Sultanate. Babur's army was small but well-trained and used modern tactics, while Ibrahim Lodi's army was much larger And we are from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Explain the first battle of Panipat, which is completed under the guidance of our subject teacher, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi ma'am. My name is Sakshi Gupta from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Hello, I am Sakshi Gupta from class 7th A. Today will be explain the topic of layer of the soil profile in the guidance of our science teacher Mr. Sahil sir. A vertical section through the soil showing different layer of the soil is called soil profile. Each layer differ in texture, color, chemical composition. These layers are referred to as horizon. Next line will be explained by Akriti.
Soil is called topsoil. It is also called a horizon. It is the darkest in color as it rich in humus. The humus in the topsoil make the soil fertile. Plant get the initial nutrition from this layer. Now next topic will be explained by OM.
The soil that is just below the subsoil is called substratum, also called sea horizon. This layer lacks humus altogether and is just. Now next topic will be explained by Adil.
The layer of the soil that is just below the top soil is called subsoil, horizon. This layer is lighter in color than topsoil as it has a very little humus and organic matter, harder and more compact than the topsoil. Root of tree generally reach up to this level.
Bottom is the bedrock and is also called the horizon. This layer cannot be easily dug up even with a spade. The reservoir of rainwater accumulated in this layer is called groundwater.
Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. This art has been prepared under the guidance of Shay sir and Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Myself, Shreya Maurya. My topic is Varli art. Varli art is a traditional folk art form from the Varli tribe in Maharashtra, India, characterized by its use of simple geometric shapes like circles, squares, and triangles to depict scenes from tribal life such as farming, hunting, and festivals. Thank you. Next painting will
Is Jasmine Khatun from the painting of Lipan art. Lipan art is also known as a clay and mirror work is a traditional mirror craft from Kutch region of Gujarat, India. It involves using clay or mud mixed with various characteristics to create a textured design. Next painting.
Satisha Tiwari. My painting is Pichwai art. Pichwai art specially depicted to Srinathji. It is painting formed in 17th century in Rajasthan. The word Pichwai means pitch means black and Vai means hanging. The artwork on the majestic elephant. It is a symbol of strength, wisdom and good fortune for Indian culture. Next topic will be explained.
Mandala art is a spiritual and symbolic form of circle design traditionally used in Hindu and Buddhist culture for prayer, meditation, and self-discovery. The word mandala means circle in Sanskrit. Today, mandala are also widely used for art therapy, promoting focus, stress relief, and creativity. Thank you. Next will be
Kajal Singh. Today my topic is Madhubani art. Madhubani art is also known as Mithila painting. It's traditional folk art from Mithila region of Bihar, India, characterized by its intricate line drawings, bright colors, and geometric patterns. Thank you. My topic is traditional African art. Encompasses a vast range of visuals and material traditions from across the continent, including sculpture like masks, textiles, poetry imbues with traditional functions and ceremonial life. Thank you.
We are from SN Public School. I am Shreya Gupta and we are from class 8D. Today we are going to represent our project which is based on application of Pythagorean triplet with the help of my subject teacher Miss Sakina ma'am.
It is based on height and distance of any object. We can easily find the shortest distance with the help of clinometer. Now further will be explained by my friend Varisha.
I am Varisha. Like if we have the distance from base to the India Gate is 24 centimeter and the height of the India Gate is 25 centimeter. So we have a shortest distance or hypotenuse by the help of adding squaring and both values, which is 7 centimeter. Now further will be explained by my friend Vaishnavi Seth. Thank you, Varisha. I am Vaishnavi Seth. Like my friend Varisha, take measurement. So here if we have the distance from to the 20 centimeter and the height of statue is the 21 centimeter. So we have a short distance or hypotenuse by square and heading both value, which is 29 centimeter. Further will be explained by my friend Praksh.
Like Vaishnavi, if we take distance from the base to the next building 36 centimeter and the height of the building 56 centimeter, so we have a shortest distance or hypotenuse by adding and squaring both values, which is 56 centimeter.
For project. Thank you for giving us your precious time. Welcome to our Edu Carnival. We are the students of class 8th
SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur.
My name is Purvi Rawat. Today we are going to represent our model on natural farming, which we prepared under the guidance of our subject teacher Swaraj sir. So first of all, I am going to tell about natural farming. Natural farming is an eco-friendly agricultural process which avoids synthetic chemicals and using agricultural methods, land resources, natural compost and biodiversity to now for the topic
Tag layer of an indoor using controlled environment, aeroponics or hydroponics to maximize space and resource efficiency. Aeroponics anything. Aeroponic agriculture is a soilless method where aeroponics plants and roots suspended in air and water efficiency allowing faster growth and high yield crop in limited space. The method of growing plant without soil using nutrient-rich water solution directly delivered to the root. Bottle farming will be explained by us. So bottle farming is a small-scale agricultural method where plant grown in a recycled bottle or a container using soil or hydroponic solution, ideal for small spaces like home or urban areas. Thank you.
एसन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज मिर्जापुर में पढ़ते हैं। हम सभी कक्षा 8 ड के छात्र हैं। हमारा आज का विषय है विशेषण। संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द को विशेषण कहते हैं। उदाहरण, बाग में रंग बिरंगे फूल खिले हैं। यहाँ पर रंग बिरंगे विशेषण है।
साथ साथ आज हम विशेष और प्रविशेष के बारे में भी जानेंगे।
संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से विशेषता के बारे में पता चले उन्हें विशेषण कहते हैं। विशेषण की विशेषता बताने वाले प्रविशेषण कहलाता है। जैसे गाय बहुत हरी घास खाती है, यहाँ पे बहुत प्रविशेष है।
के 4 भेद होते हैं। पहला गुणवाचक विशेषण, दूसरा संख्यावाचक विशेषण, तीसरा परिमाणवाचक विशेषण, चौथा सर्वनामवाचक विशेषण। पहला वाचक विशेषण जो संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के गुण, दोष, आकार, अवस्था के आदि का बोध कराते हैं उन्हें गुणवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं।
संख्यावाचक विशेषण वे विशेषण जिसमें संज्ञा की संख्या का पता चले उन्हें संख्यावाचक विशेषण कहते हैं।
परिमाणवाचक विशेषण जिन संज्ञा सर्वनाम से मापतोल का पता चले उन्हें परिमाणवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं। विशेषण जो शब्द सर्वनाम के लिए है विशेषण का काम करते हैं उन्हें सर्वनामवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं। धन्यवाद।
बच्चे एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एजुकेशन दिया जा रहा है बच्चों को और यहाँ पे कार्निवल है और अच्छे अच्छे सब्जेक्ट पे अच्छे अच्छे चीज़ें इन लोग ने बनाई हैं। हमारी बच्ची पूर्वी रावत 10th D में है और उसने ज्योग्राफी के ऊपर बनाया हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा प्लानिंग किया है और बच्चों को इस तरह प्रोत्साहित करेंगे, बच्चे बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे, इस तरह काम करेंगे।
Public School Muzaffarganj Mirzapur. From class 8D, today we are going to explain the topic of different types of musical instruments under the guidance of our science teacher Mr. Sahil sir. So let's begin. Musical instrument. We play musical instrument to produce pleasing sound. In different musical instrument, different parts vibrate to produce the sound. There are 4 different types of musical instrument vibrating their string. Now Shreyas will be explaining. Now next will be string instrument. Music is produced by vibrating strings. When these strings are plugged, struck or play with bow, they vibrate to produce musical sound. These instruments also have a hollow air chamber which help to increase the loudness of the sound that is produced. Guitar, violin, veena are some of the example of string instrument. Now the wind instrument will be explained by Muhammadan.
In the form of pipe, so that when you blow air into them, the column of air inside vibrate, producing a note. Whistle, flute, shahnayi, trumpet are example of wind instrument. Now, pencillium instrument will be explained by Nazia. Instruments. In a percussion instrument, a vibrating skin or membrane produces a musical sound. Drum, tabla, dholak, mridangam are some examples of percussion instruments. Now reed instruments explained by
Instrument contain metal reed that produce sound when air is blown through them. Harmonium and mouth organ are reed instrument. Thank you.
Welcome to our educational. We are from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Monday from class 8C. Today we are going to representing a model on integrated environmental pollution, which we prepared under the guidance of our subject teacher. Through this model, we want to show that how we can understand, measure, predict pollution in the environment by looking how pollutants move across interact air, water, and soil. It helps in planning pollution control and environmental management. Now, air pollution will be explained by Ayush.
Air pollution occurs when harmful gases and particles such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and smoke are released into the air. The main sources including vehicle, factories, and burning of fossil fuel. It leads to health issues like asthma and global problems like climate change and acid rain. Next, water pollution will be explained by Igra.
Can happen when waste material, chemical, or sewage are discharged into rivers, lakes, and ocean. Contaminated water harm and aquatic life make water unsafe for human use. Industrial waste and agriculture run a major contributor. Integration and solution will be explained by Hamza.
All forms of pollution are interconnected. Polluted air causes acid rain that contaminates water and soil, and polluted soil can release harmful gases. To control pollution, we reduce waste, use renewable energy, plant trees, and follow the 3Rs: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Together, we can create a healthier and a cleaner planet.
SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. My name is Isa Sani. I am from class 8C, and today our topic is robot and their uses. This project has been prepared under the guidance of our subject teacher, Mr. Prasad sir. Science has given us many smart machines that make our life easier. A robot is a machine that looks like a human and can act intelligently. It can perform and follow a command. Now my friend Esther will tell you how robots are helpful in our daily life.
Helpful in many places. They can clean the house, cook food, and even teach lessons. They work quickly, do not get tired, and make fewer mistakes. In factory, robots make car, mobile, and other machines. Are truly our intelligent helpers. Now my friend Saurya will tell you about a special robot that she would like to own.
It would name it RoboFriend. It would help me in my studies and keep my room clean. It would also remind me to do my homework on time. When I feel bored, it would help play games or music with me. My RoboFriend would be my best helper and my best friend. Now my friend here tell you about importance of robot in our life.
To human, they save time, energy, and make our life comfortable. But we should use them wisely and not depend on them. Let's use robot to make world smarter and better. Good day.
Class 8C. Today we are going to explain our topic earthquake model, which has been prepared under the guidance of Mr. Sahil sir. My topic is earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden shaking of earth crust which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by a deep disturbance inside the earth crust. Next topic will be explained by Dhanshi.
Causes of earthquake. The main causes of earthquake are movement of tectonic plates, volcanic eruption, dislocation or fault of the crust, and underground nuclear explosion. And second topic is some important terms related to earthquakes are seismic focus, focal depth, epicenter, seismic waves, seismogram, and last is Richter scales. Next topic will be explained by Abhishek.
Magnitude of an earthquake is a measure of amplitude of the seismic. The Richter scale is the best known scale for measuring the magnitude of earthquake. Next will be
damaging effect of earthquake. Human-made structures such as railway track building get severely damaged in earthquake. Groundwater pipes usually ruptured. Earthquake change the course of river and cause flood. Next topic
is a safety measure to be undertaken in an earthquake. First stage, move to an open area immediately. Second stage, if you can travel in your car or a bus, do not come out. Third stage, move away from the buildings, trees, bridge, flyover or overhead and any other structure that can collapse. Thank you. सर्वे SN पब्लिक स्कूलस्य छात्राः स्म। मम नाम अमृता पांडे अस्ति। वयं सर्वे 8म कक्षायां पठामः। अस्माकम् अध्ययनविषय प्रतीकचिह्नानि अस्ति। अस्माकं संस्कृत अध्यापिका आलिया यास्मी अस्ति।
तेजस गुप्ता अस्ति।
तेज अरे अस्ति।
काजल सिंह अस्ति।
त्रिसप्ति अधिकं नवदशशतं तमे वर्षे अप्रैल मासे व्याघ्रस्य अस्माकं राष्ट्रीय पशु इति घोषितः।
क्रीडा हॉकी क्रीडा भारतस्य राष्ट्रीय क्रीडा अस्ति। एषा अस्माकं राष्ट्रक्रीडा इति मन्यते।
राष्ट्रीयफलं भारतस्य राष्ट्रीयफलम् आम्रमस्ति। एतत् फलानां राजा अपि कथ्यते। एतद्धुरं पोषकत्वे च पूर्णं भवति।
राष्ट्रगीतं 50 अधिकं 19 तमे वर्षे जनवरी मासस्य 24 दिनाङ्के जनगण मनगण इति भारतस्य राष्ट्रगीतं स्फुरितं श्री रवीन्द्रनाथ टैगोर अस्य रचयिता अस्ति। राष्ट्रपक्षी भारतस्य राष्ट्रपक्षी मयूरा अस्ति। एषा सर्वाधिका सुन्दरा मनमोहका च अस्ति।
पुष्पं भारतस्य राष्ट्रीयपुष्पं कमलम् अस्ति। एतत् पुष्पं भारतस्य पारम्परिकमूल्यानां सांस्कृतिकगौरवस्य च प्रतिनिधित्वं करोति।
एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल के छात्र हैं। मेरा नाम रुनझुन सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 8C की छात्रा हूँ। आज हम आपको बताने आए हैं अलंकार के बारे में। अलंकार शब्द दो प्रकार के होते हैं, शब्दालंकार, अर्थालंकार। शब्दालंकार किसी विशेषण शब्द या वस्तु के सौंदर्य में वृद्धि होती है, परंतु यदि शब्द को बदल दिया जाए और इनके स्थान पे सौंदर्य का पंक्ति रख दी जाए तो सौंदर्य का पंक्ति समाप्त होता है। ये 3 प्रकार के होते हैं, श्लेष अलंकार, अनुप्रास, उपेक्षा। अब आपको आगे आयत बताएंगे।
यमक अलंकार। यमक अलंकार में एक ही शब्द 2 या 2 से अधिक बार होते हैं, परंतु उसका स्वर हर बार अलग होते हैं। शेष अलंकार। शेष अलंकार शेष का अर्थ चिपकना होता है। शेष अलंकार में एक ही शब्द 2 या 2 से अधिक अर्थ निकलते हैं। इसके आगे का आपको स्वर बताएंगे।
जहाँ उपमेय में अपमान का संभावना होता है वहाँ उपेक्षा अलंकार होता है। इसके आगे का हिमेश बताएगा।
उपमा अलंकार जहाँ एक वस्तु या प्राणी की तुलना दूसरे किसी प्रसिद्ध वस्तु या प्राणी से की जाती है उसको उपमा कहा जाता है। आपको
Welcome to Edu Carnival. We all are the student of SN Public School Muzaffarganj Mirzapur. Vyans Pandey from class 8C to present our mathematics model on a Pythagoras theorem. According to this theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal. To concept easier to understand, we have shown it through a visual model on a Pythagoras theorem. So let's start with Fatima.
Squares are constructed each side of a right angle triangle. The largest square is built on the hypotenuse and the 2 other square is built on the other 2 sides. We have filled each square with colored element like mustard. When we rotate the model, the element from the largest square flew and filled the other 2 square, proving that the area of the largest square is equal to the sum of the area of the other 2 squares. Thank you. Now next
We learned that the mathematics can be see, test and fail, just not a calculate. The Pythagoras theme is a beautiful relationship between the right angle and triangle. Thank you.
The right angle triangle BAB and CBS is the hypotenuse. According to the theorem, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Our rotating model shows this equality with activity. Thank you. Next explained by Lucky.
Will help visualize how the area of the biggest square actually equal the sum of 2 other squares, bringing geometry to life. Thank you for visiting our model.
Today we are going to explain about smart school and sport activities, and this project is made under the guidance of our English teacher Mr. Chitresh sir.
School is a more than just a school. It is a community decided to nurturing young mind and empowering the next generation of leaders. We can offer a vibrant and supportive learning environment where every child to encourage reach to their full potential both inside and outside the classroom. Now further will be explained by Rudra.
Our commitment to providing a supportive and engaged atmosphere with the state of now further
Nice physical activities governed by rule pursued for leisure, for entertainment and exertion beyond the physical fundamental right of a human culture, profound the impacts on the individuals and society. Now over to my friend Anjali.
Sports are a natural stress reliever helping to reduce anxiety and depression. The release of endorphin during exercise can significantly improve one's mood and boost self-esteem. Strategic thinking, quick decision making and improved concentration are all sharpened through active sports participation. Thank you.
cultural and economic impact reflect national identity. International sporting event of a unit country serve as a source of immense national pride. Now our topic is over. Thank you.
We are from SN Public School. I am Unnati Chaudhary. Today we will explain our project which is based on some geometrical shapes like 2D and 3D. First I will explain cylinder. It has 2 parallel circular bases and curved surface. The center of the curved surface overlaps each other. Thank you. My friend Anmol.
One is cone, which is the 3D solid figure having a circular base, pointed edges at top called apex. It is real life example of cone which name water funnel. Thank you. Now further will be explained by my friend Supreet.
Next one is cuboid, which is again 3D geometrical shape. It is 6 face, 8 varieties, 12 edges. The real life example of cuboid, hospitals, building and many more. Like cuboid, another 3D shape cube, which is all scale equals. It has also 6 face, 8 varieties, 12 edges. The real life example of cube, cubicles building. Thank you.
2D figure like star, pentagon and triangle. The triangle is a 2D figure which is 3-sided closed figure. And next one is pentagon, which is 5-sided closed figure. And next one is star, which is 5-pointed polygon. We can see it is our daily life in the form of tile, top of building, etc. Thank you for giving us your precious time.
SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur, from class 5th D.
My name is Astha Singh. Today is our presentation and our topic is pollution and its types, which is given by our subject teacher, Mrs. Neeta ma'am. Pollution makes our environment dirty and harms living things. There are mainly 4 types of pollution: air, water, land and noise. Now my friend Hassan will tell you about water pollution.
Thank you, Astha. Water pollution happens when dirty water gets mixed in clean water. Industries and houses always get thrown in river. People also throw chemicals and garbage in river. Animal bathing is also very dangerous and effective to people and animals. It causes diseases like typhoid, diarrhea and cholera, etc. Now my Lucy will tell you about air pollution.
Air pollution happens when harmful gases mix with air. Smoke from vehicles and factories causes air pollution. It makes it hard for people and animals to breathe. Air pollution can cause diseases like asthma, lungs infection, allergies and coughing problem. Now my friend Arthur will tell you about noise pollution.
Thank you. Noise pollution. Loud sound from vehicles, machines and loudspeaker can cause noise pollution. It can hurt our ear and cause stress. We should keep our surroundings peaceful and calm. Noise pollution can cause diseases like hearing loss, high blood pressure, etc. Now I invite Riju to tell you about land pollution.
Land pollution is caused by throwing garbage on the ground. Pesticide, plastic waste and later make the soil dirty. Now it's turn for Astha.
That's in public school from class 5th D. My name is Anishka Singh. Today we are going to represent the new Parliament building of India under the guidance of Ms. Schumer ma'am. It is the symbol of our nation's democracy of pride and progress. It has Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Central Launch, and it is designed with modern facilities. Thank you. Next my teammate will explain.
Thank you, Nishka. The new parliament has 3 main entrances: Gyan Dwar, Shakti Dwar, Kram Dwar. Thank you, my teammate will be explained.
Yeah, it has 6 thematic gates: Gaja, Hamza, Ashwa, Sadula, Garuda, Makar. Thank you.
It is rectangular in shape. It was inaugurated on 28 May 2023 by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Thank you, my teammate.
Yeah, materials were sourced from across India, reflecting the country's diverse craftsmanship. Example, sandstone from Rajasthan, teakwood from Maharashtra, carpet from Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
सर्वे SN Public Schoolस्य छात्राः स्मः। मम नाम इशिता जयस्वाल अस्ति। वयं सर्वे पञ्चम कक्षायां पठामः। अस्माकम् अद्य विषय अभिवादनम् अस्ति। अस्माकं संस्कृतस्य अध्यापिका श्रीमती नम्रता शर्मा अस्ति। अहं महाराष्ट्रीयम् अस्मि। अहं महाराष्ट्रे निवसामि। अत्र अस्माकं प्रदेशे जय श्री जनानाम् अभिवादनं नमस्कारम् इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं मराठी हूँ, मैं महाराष्ट्र में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादन नमस्कार बोलकर किया जाता है।
नाम सुखमनी कौर अस्ति। अहं पंजाबी अस्मि। अहं पंजाबी निवसामि। अत्र अस्माकं प्रदेशे जय श्री जनानाम् अभिवादनं इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ है कि मैं पंजाबी हूँ, मैं पंजाब में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादन सत श्री अकाल बोलकर किया जाता है।
दृष्टि जायसवाल अस्ति। अहं तमिल अस्मि। अहं तमिलनाडु अस्मि। अत्र अस्माकं प्रदेशे जय श्री जनानाम् अभिवादनं वडक्कम इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं तमिल हूँ, मैं तमिलनाडु में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादनम वडक्कम सेठ अस्ति। अहं राजस्थानी। अहं राजस्थानी निवासमि। अत्र अस्माकं प्रदेशे जयस्य जनानाम् अभिवादनं खम्माघरी इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं राजस्थानी हूँ,
मैं राजस्थान में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का विवाद नाम खम्मा घड़ी बोलकर किया जाता है।
Our project is about parts of speech which has been prepared under guidance of Salima ma'am. In English, every word we use belongs to a parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First is noun. It describes person, place, animal and thing. For example, Jay is going to the market with his dog to buy a ball. Second is pronoun. The word is used in place of noun is called pronoun. For example, he gave me the news yesterday. Now further topic will be explained by Anishka.
We adjectives are describing words that tell us more about the person, places, animals, or things. For example, the old man has 2 dogs. Verbs. Verb tell us what a person, animal, or thing do, what they are, or what they have. For example, the elephant has large ears. Now, the further topic will be explained by Jagriti.
Adverb. An adverb is a word tell us more about a word, adjective, or another adverb. Example: a tortoise walked slowly. Preposition. Preposition association between a noun, pronoun, and other words in a sentence. Example: Simran sat on the chair near the window. Now the further topic is by hand.
Action. It helps in joining words, group of words or sentence. For example, Jitu and Mona are my classmates. Now the further topic will be explained by Avnish.
Thank you. Suddenly feeling. Example: Hooray! My team has won.
From class 5th.
My name is Samriddhi Kasera. Today's our subject is maths and topic is measurement, which is given by our maths teacher Samya Tiwari ma'am. Measurement. Measurement is where described the size, weight, or amount of something. There are 3 types of measurement. Now, Kunj, you can explain this?
Yes. Tell us how long or tall something is. Weight. Weight tell us how heavy something is. Capacity. Capacity tell us how liquid something can hold. Now Athar will explain this model so that we have to this ladder use. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And, good morning. Our model is different type of season in India. Definition of season: when the weather remains similar for the many days, it's called a season. There are 5 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring season. Summer season. Summer season in the month of April, May, and June. People wear light cotton clothes and we must drink lot of water and liquid. Monsoon season. Monsoon season is the month of July and August. Raincoat or an umbrella is expensive in the month of November to January. People cover themselves with woolen cloths. We enjoy drinking hot milk or soup. Spring season. Spring season in the month of February. Season. Autumn season starts in the months of September and October. This weather is very pleasant. Our Furby today will tell a story the thirsty crow. It was very hot. A crow was flying in search of water. Then what Branilo it got an idea.
पढ़ते हैं। हम सब कक्षा 5 के छात्र हैं। हमारा विषय है सर्वनाम। अब आपको सर्वनाम की परिभाषा दिव्यांशी बताएगी।
संज्ञा स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाने वाले शब्द को सर्वनाम कहते हैं। सर्वनाम सभी पुल्लिंग में समान रहते हैं। अब आपसे सर्वनाम का उदाहरण अर्थात बताएं। शब्द के वचन बदलते रहते हैं। एक वचन मैं तुम ये वह, बहुवचन हम तुम ये वे। अब आपको सर्वनाम के प्रकार शिवा बताएंगे।
सर्वनाम के 6 प्रकार होते हैं: पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम, निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम, प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम, निजवाचक। अब आपको सर्वनाम के प्रकार की परिभाषा अनोखी बताएंगे।
सर्वनाम किसी अन्य व्यक्ति के लिए प्रयोग होना पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम कहलाता है, जैसे मैं, यह। अब आपको सर्वनाम प्रकार की परिभाषा
अनोखी। प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम जो शब्द प्रश्न पूछने के लिए प्रयोग किए जाते हैं उसे प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं।
स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज मिर्जापुर फ्रॉम क्लास 5th A. My name is Ishta Jaiswal and our topic is life cycle of butterfly, which is given by our subject teacher Mrs. Neeta ma'am. A butterfly is one of the most beautiful insects in nature. It changes its form in different stages of life. The life cycle of butterfly has 4 main stages: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa chrysalis, and adult adult. The life cycle of butterfly usually takes 30 to 40 days to complete the total. Now it's turn for Harsh.
Egg. The butterfly lay tiny egg on the leaf of plant. After a few days, small caterpillar come out from the egg. Now my friend Ans will tell about the
come out of an egg and it lives to grow bigger. Now it's time for Aditya. Forms a hard shell around itself called pupa and chrysalis. Now it's turn for Aradhya. It emerges inside and changes its body completely. This process is called metamorphosis or adult image, and after some days a beautiful butterfly comes out of a chrysalis. It is spread with colorful wings and flies away. The butterfly lay eggs again and the life cycle continues. The life cycle.
Ayan, Ananas, we are from class 2nd C. Welcome to Edu Carnival. Our topic is different types of festival. Definition of festival. Festival are celebrated all over the world. Festival are 3 types: religious, national, and harvest festival.
Then which religious they are called religious festival. Example: Holi, then Guru Purb, national festival. Festivals celebrated by the entire country are called national festival. Example: Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and Independence Day. Harvest festival is a joyful time celebrated when crops are ready. Example: Bihu and Pongal.
Student of class 2nd D, today we are telling about famous places of India.
The Gateway of India is an iconic landmark. It is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm telling about Red Fort. The Red Fort is also known as Lal Killa. On the Independence Day, the Prime Minister hosts a flag at Red Fort. It is in Jaipur, Rajasthan.
In the topic natural resources and its types. Everything we use in our daily life like air, water, sunlight, soil, mineral and forest comes from nature, called natural resources.
Of natural sources, river sources, non-river sources.
Again and again, do not get exhausted in research as sunlight, wind, water and forest.
Renewable resources are those which get exhausted after use and take millions of years to form again. Example: coal, petroleum, and CG. And by using more renewable resources like solar and wind energy, saving trees, water, and fuel will keep our earth green and healthy.
Non-renewable resources can be finished in one day, so we should use all natural resources carefully. Let's all remember: save nature, save future.
Our project is measurement of park. It is prepared under the guidance of Sahil sir. Now we are going to explain about measurement of park. It is a physical interaction model for teaching mathematical concept related to measurement on a large scale setting or outdoor. Now we explained by Shivam.
Topic included the demonstrative throughout the tool like rule, scale, and clock. Now,
Markside or tactile and kindness make learning from aesthetic mathematics. Ideas make learn from ideas through games. Now for the
Important measurement including using a standard unit for compulsory, understanding the difference between accuracy and privacy, and understanding the minimum error. Now
and application are correct produced in daily life. Professional and scientific use equalifying the World Fair and Trade Communes softly in engineering and construction. Thank
मेरा नाम हम सब एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज मिर्जापुर के छात्र हैं। मेरा नाम उमा दुबे है। हम सब कक्षा 5 के छात्र छात्रा हैं। हम सब आपके समक्ष बहू और बिल्ली के कहानी को नाटकीय रूप में अपनी विषयाध्यापिका अमीना मैम के सहयोग से प्रस्तुत करें, जो कि इस तरह आइए देखते हैं।
Morning everyone. एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज. We are the students of class 5th A. Our project is Braille alphabet. It is prepared under the guidance of Salima ma'am. The Braille is a special writing system used by blind people. Now further topics will be explained by Ananya.
It was invented by Louis Braille in France in 1824. It helps blind people to read and write using raised dots. Now, further topic will be explained by my friend Shreyan. Each letter in Braille is made by using 6 small dots in different patterns. For example, letter A has 1 dot, B has 1 and 2 dots. Now, further topic will be explained by Divyanshu.
Used for all languages, numbers, music, and even computer code. Now further topic Ali.
Thank you, Divyanshu. Braille alphabet truly a gift of light for those who cannot see. Aman, thank you.
की स्कूल सुखमनी कौर के स्कूल में आए हैं, जो 5th D में पढ़ती है। जो कि ये जो प्रोग्राम इन्होंने रखा है ये बहुत ही उत्साहवर्धन बच्चों के लिए है। जो कि बच्चे हर एक स्तर से बोलते हैं, जो भी प्रोजेक्ट रहता है उसके बारे में खुल के बोलते हैं और ब्लंडर बोलते हैं, जो कि एक अच्छी चीज़ और अच्छी सीख है इस स्कूल के लिए और बच्चों के लिए भविष्य के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। ऐसी कोई सुविधा नहीं थी जो ये लोगों ने 2-3 साल से 4 साल से चलाया हुआ है। ये सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चों के लिए प्रोत्साहन के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। पंजाबी ड्रेस में आई है जो कि स्वागत के लिए खड़ी होती है।
With my partner, we are from class 2nd. Welcome to Edicon. Our model is even number and odd number. Of even number, those number divided by 2 is called even number. 2, 4, 6, etc. Of odd number, those number are not divided by 2 is called odd number. Welcome to Edicon. Hello everyone, welcome to Edicon. My name is Suresh Kusma. We are student of class 2nd C. We are going to tell about multiplication property. Multiplication is a repeated addition. It is zero property. When any number is multiplied, zero, the answer is 0. Example. We are student of class 2nd of section B. We are going to represent ascending and descending order number with the help of this number grid. It's arrangement of number from smallest to largest. A number means arrangement of number from largest to smallest. For example, from top to bottom numbers are arranged ascending and from bottom to top numbers are arranged descending order. Fatima, we are students of class 2nd A. We are going to tell about 3D shapes. A 3D shape is a solid figure that has length, width and height. It takes up space and has faces, edges and corners. It is perfect round shape and has no corner and of flat surface, for example, ball, earth, orange. 3D shape that has 6 equal faces, 12 equal edges and 8 corners. Its all sides are equal. For example, dials, ice cubes. Cylinder, it is a cylinder. It has 2 equal and parallel circular base connected by curved surface. For example, a battery, crayon, pencils. Has one circular base, a curved surface and one corner. For example, mehndi cone and birthday cap. Has 6 rectangular face, 12 edges and 8 corners. For example, a copy and a pencil box. Thank you our educator. We are students of class 2nd A and today we are going to explain about plant and its parts. The earth producing oxygen for us to breathe. Plant also have different parts. This is a root plant to the soil. It carry water and food to live. This is a leaf. It makes food from the plant. This is a fruit. It is sweet and juicy. It has seeds. It grows into flower. This is a flower. It's into fruit. This is a first. Today we are here to represent plant, our green plant. Plant gives us fruit and vegetable. Plant gives us tea, coffee and sugar. We get oil and medicine. We get wood from tree. Gram wood and fish from plant. They useful things like oxygen, fruit, vegetable and cotton. Cause they provide homes for many animals. Thank you.
मैम लोग इतनी मेहनत और इतनी अच्छे से तैयारी की हैं, बच्चे भी बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स का भी इसमें बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट है। बहुत अच्छा लगा ये कॉन्वेंट्स प्रोग्राम। बहुत हाँ, ज़ियान नाम है उसका, UKG में है और गाजर का रोल प्ले किया है और बहुत अच्छा किया है सर, बहुत अच्छा। आगे भी ऐसे ही करेगा तो बच्चे को थोड़ा सा उत्साह मिलेगा करने के लिए कि मतलब अच्छा लगे। थैंक यू।
Welcome to the Edo Carnival class C and today we are telling about living and non-living things. Living things can grow, move, breathe, eat and have babies. Example, human, animal, birds, plants. Non-living things do not grow, move, breathe or eat. Example, chair, table, ball, car. Student of class 1st section B. Represent an addition activity. 2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student of class 1st A, we are going to tell about before and after number. Before number, a before number that comes just before a given number. Example: 4 teachers come before 5, 8 teachers come before 9. After a given number.
Well, 9 inches come after 8, 2 inches come after 1. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Pushpa and I study in class first W. Today we will explain about sense organ. There are 5 sense organ in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Now Zoya will explain about eyes. Us to see things around us. Now Rachit will explain about Edu Carnival. We are students of class 2nd C. Today we are going to explain about houses. 2 types of houses. First is temporary houses and second is permanent houses. Zuvika, I am telling about temporary houses. These types of houses are not fixed at one place. For example, houseboat, tent and caravan. Zanab and I am explaining about permanent houses. These types of houses are fixed at one place and cannot move from place to place. For example, in bungalow, multi-story building. Giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Insha from class 2nd B. My topic is protective food that to help fight with disease and remain healthy. Food and vegetables are called protective food. Everyone, my name is Aitan Sari from class 2nd B. My topic is bodybuilding food. This food helps us gain muscles. It keeps us fit and also helps us build a great body. Pulses, milk, flesh, egg and almonds are bodybuilding food. My name is Shama from class 2nd B. My topic is energy giving food. Food that give us energy is called energy giving food. Rice, wheat, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar are energy giving food. My name is Shashni Arya from class 2nd B and my topic is water. Our body needs a lot of water. Water helps us digest the food. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. From class and our topic is water and its uses. We get water from the river and the rain is the main source of water. We use water from drinking, cooking and bathing. Plants and animals also need water. We should not waste water. Close the tap when not in use. It's life. Let's all say save water, save life. And welcome to our corner. Topic is traffic light. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till the light turn green. Welcome to our Edu Carnival. Today we are presenting national symbol of India. I am peacock. The peacock is the national bird of India. From class 1st C and today we are telling about animal homes. Of class 2nd C, our topic is gender. Therefore, let us tell you about gender. The word sister, as if a person or an animal is a male or female, is called a gender. From male word and C from female word. Of class 2nd A, our topic is doing words. Doing words, do you know? The word shows action is called doing words, like sleeping, reading, and so on. Some example: the boy is eating, the girl is sleeping, Raj is playing. And welcome to Edu Carnival. We are students of class 2nd D. Our topic is an article. Now Yuvraj will explain. Word that come before a noun. Nouns are explained. There are 3 articles A and the. Before word that brings a consonant sound. Example: a cat, a ball. We are a student of class 4C. Our topic is water resources. Water is the most precious gift of natural. Without water, no life can exist on earth.
It is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, farming and many other activities. We get water from lake, river, pond, well, tubewell and rain. Do you know only a small amount of water on Earth's surface fit and fresh for drinking?
Save water, use water wisely and teach others to do the same. Save water, save life. Let's protect our water resources for a better and brighter future. When we are the students of class 4th, our topic is no to plastic. Plastic is essential because plastic is non-biodegradable pollutant that harms our ecosystem and wildlife, leading to microplastic contamination of soil and water. Replacing single-use plastic with reusable alternatives like cloths, bags and bottles
refusing unnecessary plastic and promoting sustainable alternative and policies.
Strategy go eco magic. Say no to plastic, save earth.
For our hope to plastic,
Say no.
एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज मिर्ज़ापुर में एडू कार्निवल बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया जा रहा है और इस नवंबर माह में मनाए जाने वाले इस कार्यक्रम में जो सर्वाधिक लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं वो ये आप दोनों देख सकते हैं कि एक तरफ जंक फूड का भंडार है और दूसरी तरफ ये हेल्दी फूड है। क्या इसमें बताया जा रहा है?
स्वस्थ भोजन के बारे में और जंक फूड के बारे में। मेरा नाम पीयू पांडे है, मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने स्वस्थ भोजन के समर्थन में कुछ कहने आई हूँ। स्वस्थ भोजन हमारे शरीर के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। मूली, खजूर, पनीर, दूध हमें ताकत देते हैं। स्वस्थ भोजन हमारे शरीर को मजबूत करता है।
आप क्या बता रहे हैं इसमें?
जंक फूड के बारे में स्वस्थ भोजन
बताएं क्या बता रहे हैं जंक फूड?
सही इसका जंक फूड के बारे में आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ। मुझे पिज्ज़ा, बर्गर और फ्रेंच फ्राइज बहुत पसंद है। इनका स्वाद बहुत अच्छा होता है और इन्हें खाना मज़ेदार लगता है।
लेकिन हाँ, अगर हम ये सब खाना खाएंगे तो बीमार भी पड़ सकते हैं।
अभी से ही बच्चों को ये मालूम है कि क्या खाना है और क्या नहीं खाना है। रोक गया
पूरा नहीं देखा है।
क्या नाम है?
जी सर, मेरा नाम रितिका सोनी, यहाँ पे मेरा भाई पढ़ता है। मुझे यहाँ का रूल्स रेगुलेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा। इन लोगों की सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगी।
ये हमारी हिंदी सब्जेक्ट टीचर पूजा मैम ने तैयार करवाया है।
मेरा चश्मा देखा क्या?
सुबह शुरू हो गए, पता नहीं कौन सी चीज कर रहे हैं।
मैम अभी पापा आपका तो रोज कराटे आपको दिखाई नहीं देता क्या? ये सामने ही तो रखा है, पता नहीं आपसे कब छुटकारा। आप भी जल्दी बूढ़े हो जाओ, मैं भी आपको वृद्धाश्रम छोड़ाऊंगा।
रोहन, ये तरीका बूढ़े से बात करने का ये सीखते हो तुम स्कूल में?
नहीं पापा, स्कूल से नहीं, आपसे सीखा। आप मुझसे इतना प्यार करते हैं, बचपन में दादाजी आपसे कितना प्यार करते होंगे।
नहीं करनी चाहिए, ये तो धरती के भगवान होते हैं, इनका आदर करना चाहिए।
दादाजी आप भी तो मेरे पापा हैं, फिर भी आपका आदर क्यों नहीं करते?
मैं झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ। कुर्बानियों से भरी मेरी गाड़ी, वीरता में मर्दानी, मैं झांसी की रानी हूँ। मैं भगत सिंह हूँ। मैं अपनी आजादी के लिए शासक और हादिस लड़ा। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
जी यस, आज एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में एजू कार्निवल के इस अवसर पे मैं एज ए अभिभावक के रूप में यहाँ आया हूँ और मुझे बड़ी प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि यहाँ एजू कार्निवल में इतने बच्चों को, इतना टैलेंटेड बच्चों को इतना जो है महत्व दिया जाता है। सभी प्रकार के बच्चों को महत्व दिया जाता है। उनके अंदर जो टैलेंट है उसको बाहर निकालने का एक शुभ अवसर दिया जाता है। मेरे 2 बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ते हैं। एक हाई स्कूल में संकल्प कुमार पाठक है और एक 3rd में विराट पाठक है। मुझे इस एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में इतना ज़्यादा विश्वास है कि इसीलिए मैंने अपने दोनों बच्चों का एडमिशन यहाँ कराया है और अभी तक मुझे 101% यहाँ पे जो है उसका प्रोग्रेस मिला है। मैं एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। ख़ास तौर से यहाँ के जो टीचर हैं वे बच्चों के साथ एकदम मिलजुल के एक मातृवत स्नेह के साथ उनको यहाँ अपने मातृवत छाया में उनको यहाँ पढ़ाते हैं। इसलिए मैं सभी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
आज एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में एडू कार्निवल का फंक्शन है। मैं इस फंक्शन को कभी मिस नहीं करती हूँ। मेरे 2 बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं सर। एक 3rd में है विराट पाठक और एक 10th में है संकल्प पाठक। तो मेरे बच्चे ने भी पार्टिसिपेट, मेरा बच्चा एडजेक्टिव किया है, हाँ, तो उसका है मॉडल बना है, उसका 3rd में है। बाकी मुझे सभी बच्चों का देखना अच्छा लगता है, मैं सिर्फ अपने बच्चे के लिए नहीं आती हूँ, बच्चों को देखना और उनका हौसला अफजाई करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है सर। और इस तरह के जो फंक्शंस होते हैं सर, जो बच्चों के अंदर छिपी हुई प्रतिभाएं हैं, तो रीडिंग से हट के थोड़ा सा उनका मन अलग हो जाता है और वो खुशी खुशी इन सब में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। तो मेरा बच्चा भी बहुत खुश होता है इस तरीके का। आज संडे है सर, मैं टीचर हूँ, तो आज संडे है, आज के दिन ये रखा है, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद यहाँ के स्टाफ को भी, इसलिए मैं पूरा समय इसको दे पाऊँगी और मैं अच्छे से एंजॉय करूँगी, मुझे लगता है। सारे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा, बहुत क्यूटली सर।
Today we can enjoy our mobile phones but also spend time in other funs and healthy activities. Let's see what happens when mobile, child, book, friend and parents share their thoughts.
जी सर, हमारे बच्चे एशियन पब्लिक स्कूल मिर्जापुर मुजफ्फरगंज, गौरव पांडे स्कूल के बारे में।
मेरा नाम शेख तानूर है, मैं कक्षा 1 की छात्रा हूँ। Myself Gaurav from class 4B. Today we are going to explain about the evolution of money.
Earliest from a trade for coin or money. For coin or money, excited. People exchanged what they had for what they needed. The main problem was the look of a common value system. It was hard to decide how much money was compared. Thank you. Metal money. After the metal system failed, people began using like gold, silver, bronze and copper as money. Metal were chosen because they were durable to carry and had lasting value. This made it easier to fix time user value goods. Thanks.
Either carrying too many coins was heavy and unsafe, which led to the invention of paper money. Paper money was more lighter and convenient than the metal coin.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our corner. I made this model for LCM. LCM is the smallest number that both numbers can divide. I took 9 and 12. Multiples of 9 are 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 80. Multiples of 12 are 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24. 9 3 are 27. 12 3 are 36. 9 4 are 36. Now I look for the numbers that in both numbers. See, 36 is in both. That means 36 is a common multiple of 9 and 12. So LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. I made 2 steps when numbers match that LCM.
Think about soil profile. Of organic material, it is the primary factor in soil formation. Thank you.
The finite shape and volume, their particles closely packed together. Solid particles change into liquid with the process of melting.
Packed in soil, liquid change into a gas with the help of evaporation. It helps turn food into nuts. It turns the container of food into climb. It also part will absorb food. Now the next line, Twinkle will tell. As produce enzymes such as amylase, lipase, which help in digestion. Now the next line, Aditi will tell. I have explained small intestine. Small intestine digestion is completed and I have explained large intestine on the address food into large intestine on the location of politics. Please here. Now the next time will twinkle.
To our Red Carnival, we are from class 3rd. Today we are telling about movements of the Indian currency. The Konark Sun Temple is repeated on the river side. New 10 rupees note, so cash, jazz, clutches and heartaches. The Ellora Caves are features on the river side. New Indian 20 rupees currency note. Thank you.
Pandit, they are my team members. Crops and spicy of India. Like Dicha is a described model. So cash crops like cotton, tea and coffee, they are sold in market and packaged for money. As I describe the model.
We spicy like pepper glove that make our food tasty. We are the students of class 3rd. Our topic is rotation of the earth. What is rotation? The earth is always moving around itself. This movement is called rotation.
24 hours to complete one full rotation. Because of rotation, we have day night.
The sun in the day and turns away from sun at night. So rotation is very important. Thanks. Welcome to Red Carnival. We are the students of class 4th A. We make the model of circulatory system by the guidance of the Basu ma'am.
The heart pumps through the body. It is maintaining blood pressure and also important organ of the circulatory system. It is muscular organ, the size of heart, really roughly the size of our fist. The circulatory system transfers blood, oxygen and nutrient to all parts of body. Now the next I will explain by Anshu.
मैं कक्षा 3 में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा शीर्षक लिंग है। शब्द के जिस रूप से यह पता चलता है कि वह स्त्री जाति का हैं।
लड़की लड़का पुल्लिंग का लिंग 2 प्रकार के होते हैं, स्त्रीलिंग, पुल्लिंग।
जो संज्ञा शब्द पुरुष जाति का बोध कराते हैं उन्हें पुल्लिंग कहते हैं, जैसे नाना, दादा, भाई, राजा, मोर आदि।
शब्द स्त्री जाति का बोध कराते हैं उन्हें स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं, जैसे नानी, रानी, मोरनी आदि। आइए भाई, बहन, मुर्गा, मुर्गी, माता, पिता।
Interesting story about the hare and tortoise having a race. Tortoise, I will fall slow and steady. That's my way. The hare ran very fast, but he stopped. The tortoise. Everyone, my name is Jessica Verma. I read in class UKG. Today we are representing about national flag. Our national flag color and it have 3 colors, white and green. Tick tock, tick tock, tick. Yes, I am a clock. I am very precious for everyone's life. I am 3 hands. Our hand, minute hand, and this second hand.
अच्छे स्कूल में आज अच्छा लगा, यहाँ बच्चे अच्छा किए, हर चीज़ अच्छा लगा मुझे देखिए जी। उसमें मैंगो में लिए थे, अभी नर्सरी में है जी।
वाणी तो सभी को मिली हुई है, परंतु बोलना किसी किसी को ही आता है। बोलते तो सभी है, किंतु क्या बोले, कैसे शब्द बोले, कब बोले, इस कला को बहुत कम लोग ही जानते हैं। धन्यवाद। अब इसके आगे आपको यशिका बताएंगे।
धन्यवाद अभिलाषा। संसार के सभी प्राणी में वाणी का वरदान मात्र मानव को मिला है। इसके सदुपयोग से स्वर्ग धरती पर उतर सकता है, उसके दुरुपयोग से स्वर्ग भी नर्क में बदल सकता है। युद्ध वाणी के गलत प्रयोग का परिणाम है। धन्यवाद। इसके आगे आपको हर्ष बताएंगे।
इसीलिए हमें सदा सदा से यह कहा जाता है कि अपनी कटुक वाणी से किसी का हृदय दूसरी मत को कदाचित मंदिर और मस्जिद तोड़ने वाले को क्षमा मिल सकती है, कि हृदय मंदिर तोड़ने वाले को क्षमा कहाँ। धन्यवाद। इसके आगे आपको हर्षता बताएं।
जिव्या जिन बस में करी 3 बस की हो जहान, नहीं तो अवगुण उपजे, कहे सब सत्य सुजान। इसके आगे अब आपको अभिलाषा बताएंगी।